Hi guys, my name is Lena and I'm a food editor at Delish, and today I'm gonna tell you how to make cheesy chicken enchiladas. So to start, we're gonna add some olive oil to a cast iron skillet over medium-high heat, and then we're gonna add onions and red bell peppers. Give them a little time to soften up, about 5 minutes. Next, we're gonna throw in some garlic and cumin and just cook that for about a minute until it gets fragrant. We're adding red enchilada sauce and crushed tomatoes. The enchilada sauce provides flavor and the crushed tomatoes give the sauce some body. Now we're bringing in our shredded chicken. Now we're adding some cheese. We chose cheddar and Monterey Jack, plus some of the reserved enchilada sauce and some cilantro. So for our enchiladas, we are using corn tortillas, but if you prefer flour, you're welcome to use flour instead. Once you've got all your enchiladas rolled up, place them seam side down in the skillet with the sauce and top it with a little more reserve sauce and a lot more cheese. Now we're just gonna pop it in the oven for 10 minutes, and when the sauce is bubbly and the cheese is nice and melted, take it out, top it with some more cilantro, and it's ready to go. Yay!